Welcome to joining us today. We have a Topps 2024 Update Series Blaster Box. I believe this is our second one that we're opening. This set has 350 base cards. We can expect to find at least 2 exclusive holiday foils. And the blaster boxes also have royal blue parallels that can be found in this. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. So here, just take a quick look. Alright, let's do this. So these have 7 packs in each of these blaster boxes with 12 cards in each pack. So this is what this looks like. Pack number 1. Let's see what we get. So we will be seeing pretty much one of these inserts in each one of them. They're really not all that special. Stars of the MLB. Our first insert is Salvador Perez in an All-Star Game insert. And our first holiday foil is Cody Bradford. We'll go ahead and get him sleeved up. Alex Verdugo. Richie Palacios, Luis Alexander. I mean, does this count as an LE card here? Julio Rodriguez, Jackson Chourio, and more sought after rookie cards. All just base cards. So really, we got Cody Bradford as our exciting holiday pack. And now onto pack number 2. We got Wyatt Langford's Stars of the MLB insert on the back. Jung-Hoo Lee in the 35th anniversary 1989 insert. Throwback to that style of card from back then. And then following that is Ernie Clement in what looks like a rainbow foil. Finish going through this pack. Graham Pauley, Mason Black, Randall Grichuk, Mitch Garver, Jordan Leisure, Matt Sauer, Jared Walsh, Steven Matz, and Cade Cavalli. So a lot of base cards we'll probably be finding in this set. We're really hoping for some serial number inserts. And pack number 3, we start off with a Justin Verlander Stars of MLB insert. Wow. Look what we have here. We have a Topps Black Gold Ellie De La Cruz rookie card. Now that is something to get excited about. We'll go ahead and get him saved up for sure. And then on this side, we do have another holiday foil with Aaron Blanco. So, pack number 3 looks like it was a hit. And we'll still go through the rest of the cards from that pack. Carlos Santana, Brett Harris, Daniel Hudson, Rowdy Tellez. We have a Twins Pillars Stars Mash from Minnesota. Jung-Hoo Lee, rookie card. Tucker Barnhart. And, what was his name? Ronel Blanco. It looks like a card to feature his no-hitter. And then we have a rookie combo with Tyler J. and Daniel Munoz. Alright, not a bad pack. On to pack 4. J. Smith-Shawver. There's the Stars of MLB insert. We have a Shohei Ohtani All-Star Game insert. Flip it over. We got Joey Votto, Tobias Myers, Yoshinobu Yamamoto, his rookie card, Alec Jacob, Jose Caballero, Jackson Chourio again, Corey Lee, Brian Ramos, Louis Gill, and Tyler Alexander. On to pack number 5. We got O'Neill Cruz as the Stars of MLB insert. What is this? Well, it is a serial card, 60 of 99. I'm not sure exactly what parallel it's supposed to be. It kind of has a old school cardstock feel to it. Definitely really cool. And there's also a holiday foil in this pack as well. It's going to be Zaire Armando. I'll get him sleeved up as well. We got Norman Rodriguez, Mark Carpenter, Tyler Black, JD Martinez, Trevor Rogers, Stephen Peter. We got Power Couple here from the Blue Jays. Jorge Barosa and Jordan Beck. So I'm pretty happy with this set so far. I'm not super familiar with the player that we got for the serial number, but it's always fun to get a serial number. Alright. We got Jung-Hoo Lee for the Stars of MLB insert. This is our third time seeing him in this blaster box. And it looks like we have another 1989 35th anniversary insert, and it's JT Realmuto. We got Jackson Merrill, Mitchell Parker, Adam Duvall, Gavin Williams, Brandon Knight, Dan Bartlett, Keegan King, Desmond Rondon, Jordan Westburn, and a rookie combo with Anthony Ronaldo and Eli Ramos. And on to our last pack. I mean, we really can't ask for too much more, except for maybe an auto, right? Or somehow a second serial number card. That'd be pretty cool. For our Stars of MLB insert, we got Spencer Torkelson. Looks like we also have an ASG All-Star Game card, Trey Turner, Vladimir Guerrero, a Let Him Cook insert, and this one looks like a Chrome Stars of MLB for Marcus Semien. And then if we flip it over, wow, this pack was hot. Look at this insert here for Jordan Montgomery. It's got skulls and bones in the back. It's a holiday foil. Pretty cool. And then we have another rookie combo with Mason McCoy and Chandler Seaton, Hunter Harvey, Jordan Lawler, Wyatt Langford, Ryan Yarbrough, Austin Slater, Giovanni Gallegos, and then one last rookie combo for the last card with Kyle Lane and Chris Woodcroft. So overall, I would say this was a great pack. This blaster box, I'm pretty happy about it. I mean, I would say that the Elly De La Cruz card is probably the star of the show, but this is a really cool insert here, and also a really cool serial number here. We got plenty of cards that we're happy about. So, if you want to get any of these cards, I'll have them posted in my eBay store with a link to this video at the bottom. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for joining us today.